Hey fire alarm folks on YouTube. As you see, I have migrated my panels from the room over here where they used to be into my garage. I've got my 4004. He's just kind of hanging out here on the wall. He's not doing anything, not plugged in or anything. Got my 4010 here. It's got two system troubles. I'll get into those in a minute. Got my 4003 and got it hung up here and got it all wired in so it's working. One of my pulls here is my simplex Chevron 4251 and it has an IAM module in there to work with the ID net of the 4010. Down here I've got my remote annunciator, the 4606-9101, and I've got a new pull here, my 4099-9003 dual action pull that's got the ID net for the 4010. The two system troubles you're going to see here, one of them is batteries. I don't have any batteries. They are on the way, so once I get them in I'll update the video and we'll be able to see the wonderful system is normal message, hopefully. And it's also got a trouble with the 4003 voice control panel. The reason is the 4003 is in trouble, and the ZAM inside of here, you can probably see the terminals right there, that provides the supervision for the 4003 to the 4010 is relaying the trouble of the panel here, and the only trouble is it doesn't have batteries. So once I put the batteries in, the trouble should go away. That'll clear, and there. Put batteries in this guy and we should go back to system is normal. Oh, up here, I've had this for a while and just haven't done anything with it. This is the 4606-9153 AV speaker strobe, and it's currently set to 75 candela. I'll go ahead and set it off. What's the point in doing these videos if you're not going to set it off? I'll go ahead and use my Chevron, which I believe is IDNet M13. You'll probably, if you've watched my last video, the fire alarm in the male dorm, you'll notice I used a Chevron in that dorm to activate the fire alarm for the fire drill. So I'll go ahead and pull this. I did remove the breaker rod. It was plastic, not glass, but I didn't feel like breaking it, so I removed it. So here we go. Put the system into alarm. Acknowledge it so it'll stop beeping. I have the speaker turned down. I have neighbors who like to call the cops. Now this won't show us the M13, but the main panel will. So I'm going to go ahead and silence it so it doesn't whoop again. Sorry about that. We've got, yep, M13, IDNet, garage, Chevron, pull. Sorry, this iPhone's having issues. It's probably the strobe messing with it. Anyways, let me reset. You'll notice the Chevron here doesn't have a key like the newer simplex pulls do. It's got a, it's just got a hex screw. But same thing. Open it up. That pops up. And I'll show you the inside of it. It's going to go off again. It's just real simple. Just the little button right here that's held in, and when you pull this down, that releases this out and allows the circuit to close, so that registers as a fire alarm. Just in case you were wondering what the inside of those look like and what it does. Same type of thing. Let me go ahead and reset the system. It takes a minute to reset. You know, I'm not going to mess with resetting it. Go ahead and pull this. Garage 4099-9003 pull. That one's already been cleared. Since the full reset didn't happen, that's why it's still showing. IDNet device M14, and it should say Garage 4099-9003 pull. So, and again, these I'm sure many of you have seen these. These are the same thing. It's just got a button right there, and when you pull this, when you pull the T-bar down, that releases and allows it to go off. You just reset it. and we'll let it reset. If I put the 4003 into alarm, the manual evac button, which is right there inside the panel, it'll put the 4010 into alarm, but it won't allow it to reset. I'm not sure if I just don't have the ZAM program correctly with the 4010, but it doesn't allow it to reset on the panel. It could be because of the trouble that's on the 4003, not really sure. But everything's now reset, and we should be good to go. So once I get the batteries and get everything in place, I'll put them in, make another video, and show you everything is normal with the system. So thanks for watching. Feel free to comment.